Hey people, hi, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures. So we were discussing regarding the zodiac stones for the zodiac. So now let's see what Cancer has the energy. Now Cancer are more of emotional kind of people. They are really sensitive. They are, home loving kind of people. Uh, they are very caring, very nurturing. You can say they are the mother of the zodiac signs, and they need much of the heart to be put in every task, to get it completed. So this is the energy of Cancer. So Cancer needs the powerful stone for their heart chakra, which is the emerald. Okay. Now heart chakra is a green color. If you see, the color associated with heart chakra is green. Well, emerald is also a green colored stone, right? Emerald for them works as, a loving crystal, a healing crystal for them, for the negativity around their thoughts, for the blockages in their heart chakras, I mean to say, not particularly heart, the blockages in the heart chakras, which needs to be cleared to open up. Okay, so it gives them chance to open up and to understand their own emotions. Cancerians need that to take a proper decision. They need to understand the emotions, the depth of the emotions they are thinking. Okay, since it's a water sign, right? So it's really very deep. Along with emerald, guys, you can also use rose quartz. So now I'll show you rose quartz because I just love them. And the best thing about the rose quartz, guys, is this is the first stone, okay, that came to me. So it is gifted to me by someone very close relative of mine. So this is the rose quartz, guys. Okay. So that person who has gifted me is very much technically sound with this crystals, healing and everything. He is also into many things like PLR, past life regression, into Vastu consultant and everything, and he gifted me this rose quartz. This was the first time when it came to me, so it's really lucky stone for me. Now what is rose quartz? It is associated with the unconditional love, guys. Let me tell you, it's an unconditional love, and it worked for me. Okay, he gifted me at the time when I was not, when I was having a lot of issues with my family, with my friends over an emotional bond. Okay, I was more into my work, my career. Okay, and this really grounded me well with the emotional attachments. So Cancerians need this for healing. Rose quartz has a beautiful properties, a very powerful stone, let me tell you, to heal, to balance those emotions, and it does a fantastic work with heart chakra. Okay, so this was gifted as a bracelet, guys, but I'm a bit messy and it broke up since I commute with the public transport. You might be knowing, many of my friends knows that I commute to trains, so it just stuck and it broke up. But it doesn't mean anything. It just means that I have to keep many of these crystals everywhere I go. I can keep it in my pockets. I can wear again and make some bracelet. I can keep it in my at my desk when I work or something. I can carry those in even in my hand. So guys, let me tell you, this rose quartz, they are very much useful for your heart chakra. Okay, they clarifies those overshadowing of the emotions and clarifies this negativity around them, and gets proper emotions for you, wherein you can connect and take proper decision. Now how does this work, guys? It's not going to be an overnight kind of thing. You have to manifest a lot. You have to keep those intentions speaking to yourself that I can give someone an unconditional love. I receive unconditional love from people, from my friends, from my family. Even if you are not receiving it, you have to keep on saying in your mind. That is called as intentions. Those are your manifestations, and these crystals are going to amplify them and make it real for you, because you need it, and they are going to be you as an energy which they carry. What you have to do for manifesting? You just have to carry them in pockets or even the hands. You can feel them. Okay, just feel them. Just close your eyes and feel them. If you feel them, if you believe in them, they are going to provide you with their magic, and miracles are going to happen to you. Okay, guys. So to know more about this regarding the crystals and its characteristics, its properties, how can it benefit you? Okay. Now, Cancerian, you can also use, as I said to you, emerald is your zodiac stone, but I prefer more of rose quartz for you, Cancerian, since you are very caring and nurturing person and very emotional person. You did a lot of work on your heart chakras. There can be sometimes blockages into them. You need to clarify those, and emeralds also work for you as a healing property. To know more about the stones which you can use, you can just DM me in my Instagram message box, that inbox. I am giving you the description down for my Instagram page, that is Soulful Adventures. To know how they can work and what are the more properties about them, the healing properties and everything, the energy they carry, you can contact me. You can comment in the comment box. You can subscribe to my channel, and even you can contact me directly through emails, which I'm going to give you in the description box. And there is also the link for my Instagram page where you can directly message me and we can get connected over there. Stay tuned for further more information. Till then, bye bye.